Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to check if your Huawei Nova 13 Pro is on a blacklist. So first, find your email, which can be found in your Huawei settings, and you have to scroll down to About Phone, and it will be in that section. And now enter the IMEI.info website using your browser, either on your phone or here, in my case, on a laptop, and just type IMEI.info into your browser, and this website will pop up. And here, paste or type your email into that and press enter. You will see your basic information about your phone, and also you'll be able to use some of the free services and the paid ones. And we wanted to see the blacklist simple check, so let's just press on that, check blacklist status. And as you can see, the simple check comes as a negative result. It's not on any blacklist. You can also order the premium check if you want. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.